Hello, and welcome to our Library 101 on virtual teen programming. In today's day and age, virtual programming is something that libraries have either been doing or have considered doing. Because of the nature of our current world, many librarians are scrambling for virtual programming ideas. The goal of this video is to provide some ideas and short explanations of each idea for those teen librarians who might need a little extra help. Teen programming is some of the hardest programming out there. Not only are teens hard to reach for in-person programming, but it seems that they are just as hard to reach virtually. Who knew? Some ideas to come out of the programming for teens are almost like passive programs. You want to involve teens, but not make it feel like something that they have to do. The first idea is to do a virtual art exhibit. Many art students are missing their spring showcases, and for some, it is the culmination of their art career. Reach out to students to have them photograph their physical work or send any digital copies to the library for an exhibit. The exhibit can be as simple as posting different artists each day on social media or on your website. Or it can be a true showcase for students, and you could create a virtual exhibit through a free program like Omeka. If you're unsure of where to start to contact students, start by contacting your local high school's art programs. Baking and cooking seem to be gaining popularity during this time. So why not do a baking lesson? If you have the funds and ability, you could bake something very simple and provide the ingredients through curbside pickup. Or you can pick to make something with common ingredients and post it ahead of time so that patrons can purchase the correct ingredients. Make sure to keep this simple so that all can participate. Additionally, pre-recording this type of program would be in your best interest, so you can cut out things like bake time in the edits. Book club is great for all ages, not just adults, so here's some teen ideas. Try doing a book club in conjunction with the high school English classes so that they don't have to read an extra book. This could potentially give students who want to talk about the book outside of class an opportunity to do so. You could also have the group choose a book that they want to read, and make sure that it is something the majority of the group would like to read. This discussion can be done over Zoom or Skype and shouldn't be recorded. If you want a video for this to share on social media, you can pre-record any discussion questions so that the patrons come prepared. Anime or other types of clubs. You can do your regular club meetings over a system like Zoom or Skype, or figure out what the best platform for your teens is and use that. Facebook might not be the best way to reach teens, so find out what it is and use it. This video is by no means a comprehensive list of all of the programs for teens that can be done virtually. It is only meant to be an ideas list to get you started. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at ndsltrain@nd.gov.